Let me give you the top 5 renovations that will increase your home's value, and you're not gonna believe what I got for number 4. The place where you're always gonna get the biggest bang for your buck is the kitchen. It's the heart of the home and oftentimes the selling point for most buyers. A lot of people won't even consider your home if you have a kitchen that's outdated. If you upgrade the appliances, add new countertops and cabinets, and even freshening up the paint can go a long way in adding value in this space. Number 2 is the bathroom. Updating the fixtures, installing new tile, and adding extra storage can make a huge difference here. Number 3, you can't go wrong with curb appeal. This is the first impression that buyers will often have of your home. A new front door, fresh landscaping, a clean exterior, those are the big ticket items that people are looking for. Number 4, this one is all about finishing up your basement. And this is where things can get interesting because finishing a basement can add a ton of value to your home at a fraction of the cost. Plus, it's a selling point for large families that are looking for extra space for their kids to roam. And finally, number 5, this is the deck or your patio. Outdoor living spaces are becoming increasingly popular nowadays, and they can be a major selling point for most buyers. And so if you install a new deck or patio, it can be a huge return on your investment. Remember, a little bit of work can go a long way. Even if you choose just 1 or 2 of these things, it will add tons of value to your home and even make your living experience that much better. Leave me a comment below of a home renovation that you've tackled.